Good morning to all my dear students. In the business study, here we are starting with your 7th chapter. Name is Formation of Company. Now, formation of company means what? How to form one company, form of organization. Okay, as in your this syllabus you have studied what is private companies and what is public company. So such type of companies, how to form, okay, how to take the initiative to form such type of company, that thing we will study, we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, so this is the introduction of this chapter. See, there are various steps you need to take for legally registering a company, which can vary from documentation to sorting out various other details. Okay, but before that, what you need to identify? You only and only need to identify that which type of business you want to cover up or which type of business you want to start. Okay, once you will identify the basic idea or basic business line, then what you need to identify? The second thing is what? How you are going to run that particular business. Okay, you need to require or you need to allocate all type of resources to run that particular business, that is land, labor, capital, okay, and promoters. Okay, promoters who will form that particular business, okay, or else who will give idea to form that business. Okay, so this is what the formation of company. Okay, wherein you need to make a detailed study of market, okay, and detailed study that how that particular project will be feasible and how you are going to access all the resources, that is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study that thing only. Okay, and at the same time a company should be legally formed. Okay, formation of company should be in a legal format only. Okay, there should not be any kind of illegal business you have to start. Okay, so you will study about essential required to set up the business process. Okay, ये essentials क्या है? Land, labor, capital and entrepreneurs, and at the same time some business ideas also, okay, which you have to allocate in your business. And but also the basic ethics, business ethics and corporate governance lessons associated with them. Let's first take a look at the major terms under the topic of formation of company. Okay, under it first term is what? Business finance. Yes, of course, without having any kind of finance you cannot start with any of business venture. Yes or no? Whether it is a domestic business or it is a business which is situated in the market area, in the center of the market, what you need to do is you need to allocate your resources, and first resource is nothing but finance. If you are getting finance, if you have collected all the funds which is required to build up that particular corporation, then only you can collect another resources like land, labor, capital, etc. Okay, so first thing is what? Finance, which you need to collect. See, this is the first step towards the setting up a business, is finding the means to do so. This is where business finance comes in. Okay, business क्यों करना है? To collect lot of profit, to earn lots of profit out of that particular business, yes or no, and to provide goods and services. Okay, and all these things will happen only and only if the finance will be there in the business. To secure finance, one must acquire and conserve capital funds. Capital fund means what? It is a big fund which is required for the formation of a company. This fund should be enough to meet the basic requirement of business, and basic requirement of business means what? Land, labor, capital and entrepreneur, and allow it to meet its objective. There are several types of business finance which plays an imperative role in financing the deserved activities carried out by the business. Okay, so there are multiple choices are available in the market. Okay, first of all you can take a loan from bank, then finance करने के लिए there are number of things are open in open market, that is to issue shares in the open market. Okay, so general public will invest in the your company's shares. You can collect your funds from general public by issuing shares to them. This is also one way to finance your company. Okay, and at the same time, same as like general public, institutional investors also, if they want to invest in your company, then from another company also you can take a loan, or you can issue your shares to the another company and take huge amount of funds from them. Is that clear? So now, for the formation of a company, there are multiple stages you need to sort out, or multiple stages you need to complete, you need to fulfill. Under it, first stage is what? Promotion of a company. Second stage is incorporation. Third stage is subscription of capital. And the fourth stage is commencement of business. Okay, these are 4 stages. Under it, promotion. Promotion means what? To promote a business. Okay, to introduce your business in the market. After forming your company, what you need to do? You need to promote your business to in the market, introduce your business in the market. For that, you need to grab some opportunities to start your business. You need to think about finance to run your business. Okay, and you need to think about various business ideas which you will enroll in your business. Is that clear? Okay, so this is what the promotion of company. Okay, now in the promotion, it is the first stage of the formation of a company. As you all know, it involves starting a business with finding its opportunities and taking an initiative to form a company. Suppose अगर मुझे मेरा कुछ दुकान ओपन करना है, एक ग्रॉसरी शॉप. So what I am going to do is, I am a farmer, or I am the founder of that particular shop. Okay, I have grabbed that particular idea in my mind कि ये पर्टिकुलर लोकेलिटी में एक शॉप नहीं है, ग्रॉसरी शॉप नहीं है. सो व्हाट आई नीड टू डू? आई नीड टू स्टार्ट विद द ग्रॉसरी शॉप. For that, what I need to do? I need to collect all the resources first of all. Okay, and I need to open up that particular grocery shop to complete and fulfill the demands of the people. Yes or no? So what I need to do? ये सब मैंने सोच लिया मेरे दिमाग में. So first thing is what? I need to take initiative first to ग्रैब दैट पर्टिकुलर अपॉर्चुनिटी कि यहाँ पर कोई आसपास दुकान नहीं है, तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? मेरी दुकान ओपन करनी चाहिए. Okay, take a small example only. Then only you can simply understand the big or major topics or major concepts. Okay, so for what is the first thing in the promotion? To take initiative to form a company. Is that clear? Okay, now there is no any statutory definition for promoter. Promoter कौन हो सकते? A promoter is said to be a one who undertakes to form a company, who take initiative to form a company. Okay, with reference to a given project और गिवन अपॉर्चुनिटी. एक अपॉर्चुनिटी को देखकर, एक प्रोजेक्ट को देखकर अगर कोई भी बंदा अपना खुद का बिजनेस खड़ा करना चाहता है, इफ़ ही इज़ टेकिंग इनिशिएटिव, देन ही विल बी कॉल्ड एज प्रोमोटर और फाउंडर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपनी. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, सो that promoter need to check all the feasibility to start that business कि ये business तो मैं खड़ा कर रहा हूँ. No doubt there is no any shop in this particular area, but is there any people, any public who is living in this area? अगर वहाँ पर public भी नहीं रहती है, तो is it feasible to start that grocery store business? No, it is not feasible. So every promoter need to analyze all the market or all the conditions to start that business. Is that clear? Okay, आप thoroughly आपके बुक में भी रीड करोगे, सो आपको you will find this type of explanation only. Okay, from promoter point of view, what we need, he need to collect together, he need to collect men, material, machinery, managerial abilities and some financial resources to set all the organization in a running mode. Okay, now see what is the promotion of a company. As per the chapter of formation of a company, promotion is also a vital part of starting a business and can also be termed as a visualization of business, जिसको बिजनेस खड़ा तो नहीं हुआ है बट उसके पहले ही बिजनेस कैसे हो सकता है उसकी विजिबिलिटी मिल जाती है, वो उसकी आंखों के सामने देख सकता है कि येस माय बिजनेस वुड बी इन दैट मैनर. ओके, दिस काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल, मशीनरी, मैन पावर आई विल रिक्वायर. सो ये जिसके माइंड में आता है दैट पर्सन विल बी प्रमोटर ऑफ business. Okay, it is the first stage and involves the formation of the idea which exploits an opportunity to meet market demand. Okay, जो क्या करता है market opportunities को grab करता है and after grabbing that opportunity he will take initiative to form one idea of business. ओके, हमारे मार्केट में ये पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट नहीं मिलता, लेट्स टेक इनिशिएटिव टू प्रोड्यूस दैट प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज व्हाट प्रमोशन. ओके, एंड वंस ही विल स्टार्ट टू कलेक्ट ऑल दोज रिसोर्सेज विच ही रिक्वायर्स to provide that particular final product in the market, so that all those initiatives are togetherly form promotion of a company. Is that clear? ओके, नाउ कंपनी के प्रमोशन के लिए सी व्हाट इन्वॉल्व्स. इट इन्वॉल्व्स द प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉर्मुलेटिंग अ बिजनेस कंसेप्ट और आइडिया एंड टेकिंग स्टेप्स टूवर्ड्स फॉर्मिंग अ कंपनी. ओके, मैंने ग्रॉसरी का जो एग्जांपल दिया उसमें भी यही लिखा था, बराबर. इट इज़ अ प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ बिजनेस. बिजनेस खड़ा करने के पहले जो स्टेप होता है, द बेस इज व्हाट प्रमोशन. Okay, to grab idea, to grab opportunity to invent a new idea and to start taking first step to start a business is what promotion. This is done so that one can avail the business opportunity and exploit it to their benefit. Okay, ये कैसे हो सकता है? टू ग्रैब वन बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी, कि कहाँ पर भी संधि मिल सकता है, सो वहाँ पर क्या कर दो, बिजनेस सेटअप कर दो. ओके, एंड टेक द बेनिफिट ऑफ देम. ओके, उसका बेनिफिट कैसे मिलेगा? प्रॉफिटेबल बेनिफिट मिलेगा, बराबर. ओके, एंड इट इज़ द प्राइमरी स्टेज इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपनी. ओके, नेवर एवर फॉरगेट दैट फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ कंपनी, promotion of a company, that is promotion stage, is the first stage for the formation. Is that clear? If you also want to become a promoter, then let's take a look at what promoters actually do. Okay, to start with their business activities. Okay, promoter means a founder of a business who takes initiative to form a company. So he need to perform certain functions to become a promoter, to become active promoter. Okay, see, a promoter is an important person in the formation of a company. A promoter is an individual or a team of individuals involved in conceiving the foundational idea on which a company is established. Okay, underline this sentence. A promoter is what? A promoter is one individual. Promoter is, can be an individual or a team of individuals. See, individual or a team of individuals involved in conceiving such foundational idea. What does it mean? It is not necessary that founder of a company will be only a single person. There might be chances that there is a team who is taking initiative to form such business. Okay, according to the chapter on a formation of a company, here the different functions carried out by a promoter. Okay, in this chapter promotion करने के लिए promoters के they have given you a different functions. Now what are those functions? Just take a look. See, first is what? Identifying and understanding the business opportunity. Okay, this is what the first function of promoter. Then only he will become a promoter. Yes or no? If he is identifying and understanding business, Okay, which type of business he need to form, what type of resources he will require, okay, how much amount of finance he will require. If he can ascertain all those things, then only he can be a promoter. Okay, so the first and foremost activity of a promoter is to identify business opportunity. The opportunity may be in respect of producing a new product or a service, or making some product available through a different channel, or any other opportunity having an investment potential. What does it mean? Opportunity means what? To produce one product. Okay, to identify a business opportunity, what does it mean? एक तो न्यू प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस करो और न्यू सर्विसेज प्रोड्यूस करो, और एल्स टू मेक अवेलेबल दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज अप टू द मार्केट थ्रू चैनल. सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? आप एक खुद का चैनल ओपन कर सकते हो जिसके माध्यम से, जिसके थ्रू यू कैन अवेल योर प्रोडक्ट इन टू द मार्केट, ओके, टू द पीपल, टू द फाइनल कंज्यूमर of the market. Yes or no? For example, Amazon is what? It is one type of channel who is transferring the product from the factory area up to the doorstep of the customer. Okay, and there is no any kind of middleman. Okay, कोई भी मिडलमैन है, होलसेलर है, रिटेलर्स है वहाँ पर, नो, डायरेक्टली फैक्ट्री से आपको जो कुछ भी गुड्स चाहिए वो आप ले सकते हो. ओके, अप टू योर डोर स्टेप. So to finding this type of channel is also one type of what? Business idea. और जिसने ये business idea को कैप्चर कर लिया, then he is what? He will be said to be as a promoter of that business. Okay. See, the opportunity could be making a certain product available through some channel. ओके, और कैप्चरिंग एन अपॉर्चुनिटी विच हैज़ पोटेंशियल. ओके, या फिर ऐसे अपॉर्चुनिटी कैप्चर करना जिसमें क्या है, जिसमें बिजनेस की क्या है, स्कोप है. इन दैट पर्टिकुलर मार्केट देयर इज़ अ वास्ट स्कोप टू फॉर्म अ बिजनेस. ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी को ग्रैब करना, दैट इज़ व्हाट आइडेंटिफाइंग बिजनेस. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम न्यू इन माई एरिया, okay, and if I am finding that there is no any teacher or coaching classes are available, so what I can do is I can open up my own coaching classes. Yes or no? So what I am doing, I am capturing an opportunity which has potential. Potential भी है, yes of course, because market also requires some coaching classes. The opportunity is then studied and analyzed by promoter for its economic and technical feasibility. And ऐसी opportunity को क्या किया जाता है, बाद में analyze किया जाता है from the promoter's side whether such particular opportunity is economically feasible and technically feasible or not. Okay, what does it mean? If I want to start with coaching classes, so what I need to do is economically मुझे फीस के हिसाब से रखना पड़ेगा क्लासेस. yes or no? That fees should be in a profitable manner. Okay, this is what economic nature. Whereas technical feasibility means what? I need to have all those setup, that is whiteboard हो, blackboard हो, proper light arrangement, sitting arrangement, etc. Okay, all those things should also be available. Technical feasibility means what? Resources I need to have available, or is books, reference books I need to available in my storeroom. Yes or no? In my bookshelf. So this is what identifying and business opportunity. Okay, now next is what? Feasibility study. See, here it is, feasibility study. नाउ फिजिबिलिटी स्टडी मतलब यही है कि बिजनेस एक तो टेक्निकली फिजिबल होना चाहिए, इकोनॉमिकली इट शुड बी फिजिकल, एंड फाइनेंशियली ऑल्सो इट शुड बी फिजिबल. इज दैट क्लियर? फिजिबल मीन्स मतलब क्या, वो बिजनेस के लिए क्या होना चाहिए, हमारे लिए अच्छा होना चाहिए. एक प्रोमोटर के लिए इट शुड बी प्रॉपर इनफ. ओके, सी फिजिबिलिटी स्टडी. It may not be feasible or profitable to convert all identified business opportunities into real project. Okay, the promoters therefore undertake detailed feasibility study to investigate all aspects of business they intended to start. What does it mean? If I need finance, Okay, one bank is ready to give me a finance, but their rate of interest are very high. Okay, so is it feasible for me? No, it is not feasible. Okay, so what does it mean? मार्केट में बिजनेस बनाने के लिए देर आर रिसोर्सेस आर अवेलेबल, बट टू वेदर टू टेक ऑल दोज रिसोर्सेस इन योर बिजनेस, whether to introduce all those resources in your business is feasible or not, that thing we need to check. Okay, मुझे लोन देने के लिए मार्केट में बहुत सारी बैंक्स आर रेडी, बट देयर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आर वेरी मच हाई इनफ. सो इज इट फिजिबल फॉर मी? नॉट. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट फाइनेंशियल फिजिबिलिटी का मैंने एग्जांपल दिया. See, all the business opportunity may not have feasibility or economic capability to be turned into a real project. Okay, suppose if I have a land area, farming land area. ओके, जिसके ऊपर से क्या जिसके नीचे से क्या जाने वाला हो, सपोज गवर्नमेंट की जो पाइपलाइंस होती है, फॉर एग्जांपल वाटर सप्लाई की पाइपलाइन, ओके, जिसके नीचे से जा रही हो. इफ़ इन फ्यूचर गवर्नमेंट रिक्वायर्स दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंड एरिया, सो इज इट फिजिबल टू बाय दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंड एरिया फॉर माई फार्मिंग? नो, बिकॉज इन फ्यूचर वो लैंड मुझे फार्मिंग के लिए नहीं मिलेगी. गवर्नमेंट विल टेक दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंड फॉर देयर अनदर इंफ्रा डेवलपमेंट. येस और नो? सो इट इज़ नॉट फिजिबल. मतलब क्या? आई हैव money also, I have capital also to invest my money into that farm. Okay, but it is in for future circumstances it is not feasible. Is that clear? See, which type of feasibility should be there? Technical feasibility should be there. See, an idea may seem promising but may not be technically feasible टू एग्जीक्यूट. ओके, टेक्निकल फिजिबिलिटी में क्या देखना पड़ेगा? आइडिया तो अच्छा है, बट टेक्निकली इज इट फिजिबल? ओके, टेक्निकली इज इट ओके टू रन इन योर बिजनेस? इफ इट इज़ नॉट, देन सच टाइप ऑफ आइडिया विल यू नीड नॉट टू कंसिडर फॉर योर बिजनेस. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इकोनॉमिक फिजिबिलिटी. नाउ टेक्निकल फिजिबिलिटी का एक एग्जांपल दिया, तो सपोज आई वांट टू ओपन माय फैक्ट्री. ओके, जिसके लिए मुझे स्टील लगेगा. ओके, बल्क क्वांटिटी ऑफ स्टील टाइप ऑफ मेटल आई रिक्वायर. ओके, बट इन माय स्टेट or in other state of the country is not having that much quantity of steel. Okay, who can or that much or the company or else providers who can provide that much quantity of steel to my company. Okay, अगर ऐसे नहीं होगा तो क्या is it feasible? No, मुझे बल्क क्वांटिटी में स्टील रिक्वायर्ड है, लेकिन मेरी क्वांटिटी को फुलफ़िल करने वाली स्टील कंपनी मार्केट में अवेलेबल नहीं है इन माय कंट्री. सो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? फ्रॉम आउट ऑफ कंट्री आई नीड टू इम्पोर्ट दैट स्टील, एंड फॉर दैट पर्पज आई नीड टू हैव अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ फाइनेंस विथ माई सेल्फ. सो इज इट फिजिबल? नो. नेक्स्ट, इकोनॉमिकल फिजिबिलिटी. An idea may seem promising technically and may have good financial and prospects, but may not be economically feasible. Okay, idea अच्छा है, I have a huge finance also, I have a number of technical resources are also available, but ये सब करने के बाद if the product का cost goes high and such higher product cost a customer if would not bear, so at that time economically मुझे क्या हो जाएगा? लॉस हो जाएगा. बिकॉज जो प्रोडक्ट मैं बनाना चाहती हूँ वो प्रोडक्ट के लिए आई हैव फाइनेंस ऑल्सो, आई हैव माई टेक्निकल टीम ऑल्सो, मशीनरीज ऑल्सो. ओके, बट वो प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट इतनी ज़्यादा हो जाएगी कि मार्केट में नो बडी विल टेक दैट प्रोडक्ट. ओके, nobody will go for that particular product to buy. सो इन दैट केस मेरे लॉसेस हो जाएंगे. सो ऐसे प्रोडक्ट को मुझे मार्केट में लॉन्च नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज वैसे प्रोडक्ट के कॉम्पिटिटर्स ऑलरेडी मार्केट में अवेलेबल है विद द लोवेस्ट कॉस्ट. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दिस इज व्हाट इकोनॉमिक फिजिबिलिटी वी नीड टू अंडरटेक. नेक्स्ट इज financial feasibility. Every economic idea needs funds to bring it to the market, okay, to bring it to life. If the promoter is not able to build funds for a business or an economic idea, then it need not be given up. What does it mean? Financial feasibility means what? आपके पास economic idea भी है, you have a better understanding in your promoters team, okay, all the technical things are also there, but finance is not there. So is it proper to run that business or to take an initiative to start that business? No. First, what you need to do? You need to undertake and you need to collect the resources who can give you a bulk quantity of finance to run your business. So this is what? Financial feasibility. Is that clear? Okay. So here in the functions of promoter, feasibility topic we have covered. Okay, identification of business and feasibility study. Okay, rest of the topic we will cover in the next lecture. Till then, here we are. Thank you, done for the day, and just take a note of all those things in your notebook. Okay, thank you.